Hey there! Today we're diving into a common problem that some Ubuntu WSL users might encounter when switching from Bash to Fish. The issue arises when the character encoding in terminal applications, like Vim, gets all wonky after the transition. In Fish itself, everything appears normal and dandy, but the moment you fire up Vim from either Bash or Fish, you start seeing a discrepancy in how non-ASCII characters are displayed. Quite a pickle, huh? In comes the solution to our encoding woes. The culprit here seems to be the lc_all setting in Fisher, which is being set to n_us.utf8, a solid locale choice, but unfortunately not installed on your system. To remedy this, you got two options. You can either generate the locale using locale-gen after enabling it via eclocale.gen, or you can go on a hunting mission in your Fish configuration to locate and remove the lc_all setting, allowing Fish to go back to using the trusty allc.utf8 locale. Remember, both locales share the same encoding, but vary in things like sort order and date formats. Now a quick recap of our little adventure. We unravel the mystery behind the character encoding hiccups in Vim post-switch from Bash to Fish. By tinkering with the lc_all setting in your Fish, you can steer clear of those encoding snags and enjoy a seamless experience across your terminal applications. And with that, folks, remember to like, subscribe, and drop a witty comment below. You never know, your comment might just brighten someone's day.